the truth table for 1 to 2 decoder. So that means like you're expecting one input and you're expecting two outputs from the decoder, right? So but if you want a 2 to 4, so that means like you have two inputs. Okay, so 1 2, and then you have four outputs, 1 F2 F3 and F4. So just like that, but you're asked to find the truth table for this. Okay, so how do we do this? So this is so simple. So what you're going to do, if you're asked to find the truth table for the decoder for 1 to 2 input, so you only have one input. So and then for the rest of them, you're just going to fill it up with 0. Okay, so I hope it makes sense. Sorry, you're going to put a 1 over here. So let me explain again if it didn't make sense. So we have 1 to 2 decoder, right? We have one input, two outputs. So for the truth table, what we're going to do, 0 1, that's for the input, the possibilities for the inputs. Okay, and for the outputs, what do? Since it's a 0, right? So if for the F0, so you're going to put a 1 over here at the F0 space. Okay, and since this is a 1, so you're going to put a 1 at the F1 place, or you can think of it like it's a 1, right? So you have to leave one block and then put 1 over here. It's 0, so you don't leave any block and then you put 1 over here. Okay, and the rest of them you put 0. And for the decoders, always remember you're gonna have like a diagonal line going 1 over something like this. Okay, so 2 to 4 decoders, so we have two inputs, so we have 1 and 2. Okay, and then we have like, so F0, F1, F2 and F3. So we have 4 outputs and 2 inputs. Okay, so 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, we're going to check the sum of them. So the sum is equals to 0, so you're going to okay, for the 2 to 4 decoder, how you're going to do is you're going to make the function, and then you have two inputs, so you're going to set it up, and then you have 4 outputs, 0 F0 F1 F2 F3, and then so you have these for the inputs. Okay, so you're going to check this into the binary. So this is 0 0, so 0, it's F0, so you're going to put 1 over here. Okay, 0 1, that's a 1 in binary, so you're going to put F1, and at the F1 place you're going to put a 1. Okay, so 1 0, that's a 2 in binary, so you're going to go into the F2 line, and then you're going to put a 1 over here. And 1 1, that's a 3 in binary, so you're going to put a 1 at the F3 place. Okay, so I hope it makes sense now. It makes